Wow, very soon Luncdao will be burning over 1 billion coins of Teruna Classic coin. Right now, at the time of recording this, they've burned about 0.7% of Teruna Classic total burn. Okay, now they've actually burned about 456,179,968 coins of Teruna Classic has been burned by Luncdao. Okay, and I believe, yes, they've really burned a lot of coins. In fact, they are the 5th highest destroyer, highest burner, highest killer of Teruna Classic coins. So I believe they have also done their best. They've really supported this coin, and their support, of course, they have really also helped Teruna. Even though they are yet to burn about 1 billion coins, I know you cannot compare them to Binance have burned almost approaching 34 billion, or want to compare them to Lunatic token. Okay, but I still believe with their contribution, at least Teruna Classic have also benefited from them. There are some projects which I believe once they complete this project, they will be burning more coins, they will be destroying more coins, more Teruna Classic LUSD coin. So I believe over us, we are expecting about 750 million coins to 1 billion coins of Teruna Classic to be destroyed, okay, by Luncdao. So it is one good thing, one important thing to know when exchanges are really showing concern. Teruna Classic this period have really gotten a lot of support from different exchanges. I'm happy that so many exchanges are showing great support towards LUNC coin. So with their support, definitely something positive, something good will come out. So I'm happy that Luncdao right now have been talking about mega burning of Teruna Classic. And if they can burn over 1 billion, I will really love this, because we want to see LUNC burn more coins. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, let's keep hoping for the best. Let's keep hoping Teruna Classic never fails us. Let's keep hoping Teruna Classic get the attention, gain the massive rise it has been looking for. Once again, thank you for stopping by.